Alright guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make black bean stew. Why not? Why not? Why not? It is still cold outside. The high today is gonna be 34. I already have rice going in the rice cooker. Right now I have some olive oil in the pan, about 2 teaspoons. I've got half of a large red onion. We're gonna saute this just for a little bit. We're gonna be using a can of black beans, a can of stewed tomatoes. We're gonna be using some dried parsley, coriander, garlic powder, rice, and some Parmesan cheese. Why not, right? Why not? So we're just going to saute this until it is a little translucent, not too much. Probably cook it here for about 1 to 2 minutes. I've been watching y'all's content out there who are connected to me, and man, some of you are just getting hammered with a lot of snow. It's not snowing where I'm at. I know further up northern Texas it is snowing, but here where I'm at, it's just really cold. It got windy. We had some ice. Just this morning we gave our puppies some more hot soup with chicken. All their water was frozen, so we had to go out there and, well, not I didn't. My younger son did for me. Break up all the ice. We had to bring the rabbits' water bottle in and defrost that. But don't worry, they're warm. They have homes. They have plenty of hay and blankets, and we've been feeding them and checking on them every hour, and they are taken care of, I promise you. We've got heat lights out there. Alright, turn this down a little bit. So, you're going to add, once you've cooked it for a couple of minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to add in your black beans. I rinsed and drained my black beans, so I'm going to add that to my pan. I'm going to add the stewed tomatoes. The stewed tomatoes is 14.5 ounces and the black beans is 15 ounces. You can use whatever, make it your own. You don't have to use the same amount I'm using. And then to this we're also going to add 3 tablespoons of dried parsley. So why not? And guys, you don't have to really measure if you don't want to. I know some people just do their own thing. Sometimes I do measurements, sometimes I don't. It depends on my mood. We're going to do some cumin here. About half a teaspoon. You got to be careful with cumin. It's really strong. And then we're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of some garlic powder. Gonna give this a stir. This is something that's really quick and easy and frugal. We get a lot of black beans and tomatoes from the food pantry. So let me bring you down here and show you what it's looking like. So that's what it's looking like. And once this is heated up, guys, then all you have to do is, once your rice is done, you put some rice in a bowl Put this on top with some Parmesan cheese. You're good to go. Notice I didn't add any salt. I didn't add any black pepper. You can if you want to. I never add salt, only because the canned stuff has salt in it. I mean, even though you rinse and drain the beans, the tomatoes have salt. Your Parmesan cheese has salt in it. So you just got to be careful if you're watching your blood pressure with all the salt. We're just going to let this heat up for a little bit. Got my rice cooking. And then, of course, I'm going to show you what's in my bowl. I have to do a what's in my bowl video. That way you can see it all put together. And this didn't take very long at all. If you like onions, beans, tomatoes, throw some spices, you can make it your own. You don't have to use the same spices I'm using. If you want to, that's fine. But you can do chili powder. You can do anything if you wanted to. This is just what I'm doing. So that is it. I hope all of you guys stay warm. Keep posting those videos. I love seeing what y'all are all doing. I do watch every single one of you. I try to I do comment on all of y'all's content. I think y'all are all amazing. I'm really glad that we have this community that we have. Y'all are all so kind to me and so sweet. You guys keep doing you. From now on, I promise no more drama. I won't be posting any more videos. I know I posted 2 videos about what I did, but I'm usually not like that. I'm pretty much a positive person, you know, so just a lot of cooking. I'll show you what I've been coloring, so I'll show you those pages, and hopefully we'll start gardening soon. It's just way too cold right now. So, alright guys, y'all keep doing you, and I'll see you in the other video when I post what's in my bowl. Bye guys.